There are various architectures of neural networks, so let's go over the different types of neural network architectures to get an idea of what they really are. The simplest type is the single layer perceptron model. In order to get from the single layer neural network to the multi-layer neural network, we will first analyze the single layer neural network. This is also referred to as a perceptron. When it comes to artificial neural networks, the perceptron is the most fundamental one. In a single layer neural network, or perceptron, the neural network has only input and output layers without any hidden layers. Alright, that was it for the single layer perceptron model. Next is the radial basis network model.